welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I am doing my first sponsored video. I have my very first package here and we are doing this unboxing video. If you are new to my channel, please hit the like, subscribe, and the notification button so you can be notified when I do release new videos. This package is from bbcrafts.com. They sell loads of crafting supplies from jewelry to hair bows to risins, molds, and more. Be sure to check them out. I will post a few links to the items here in the description. And let's go ahead and begin to unwrap and see the goodies we got. I don't remember what I ordered. I think I ordered some hair bow accessories and then something else. Stay tuned for how-to tutorials on using these items. I will be posting a few videos. They are overseas, I believe in China, and the shipping took about 2 weeks, so it wasn't bad shipping. All right, they got this packed pretty good. We're almost there, we're almost there. All right. Doo-doo-doo. All right, so I ordered 3 different things. I thought it was 2, but anyone else save their bubble wrap? I either let my kids pop it or I use it when I'm packaging orders. So far, I am loving that it comes in these little cases so you don't have to go and buy cases for your items. So this is a bracelet kit. It comes with some instructions on how to make the Christmas bracelet charms. They also have, as you can see, they got pliers and things here. They also have kits that comes with the full things you need from the tools to all the little findings. So let's go ahead and open up this lockbox. I think it's taped or something. Oops, my bad. Easy put back on. It's an easy fix if you just did what I did. So I am having problems opening this box. And that's because I think it's taped. It is. I knew I heard something. So it has some tape on here. All right. So once you get the tape off, you can actually open your box. So we have these cute little charms. Oh, they are so cute. Guys can see those. And we have some other little charms. These are all Christmas related. So these are charm bracelets. I will be doing a video on putting these all together. These are some great quality charms. I got some glass beads here. And then these little bells. Oh, they are cute. Little bell charms. Ring, ring, ring. So these are some little nails. I really don't even know what these are for. Oh, look. To make your beads, into little charms. And you guys know I never even knew that, but here it is. And I will be doing a how-to video on those. It comes with the jump rings. We have the closure latches and chains. And again, I love that it comes in this little container. So then I'm not at Hobby Lobby or Michael's trying to buy a container for all my little beads. And of course, when this is empty, I probably will reuse it. And I like that, look. So I can make the thing smaller or larger. I love it. I love it so far, you guys. Please check them out. I will be posting the link throughout this video. BB Crafts. If you are in a hurry for shipping, it is an overseas company. So plan accordingly. It took about 2 weeks for me to get these items. And of course, you guys know their New Year's is different from ours. I believe their New Year's is in February. And most companies take like a month's, weeks off. So here is another jewelry kit. Bracelets. You guys can see here. I love that it comes with some type of instructions, because anytime I have ordered beads, there was no instructions, but these are little kits. So it basically comes with almost every item you need to create what you're creating. So let's remove this tape and take a look at this product. All right. So these aren't glass beads. These silver ones. These aren't either, but I'm loving them. I don't even know the size of these beads, but I'll find out and I'll post them in the description, and I'll have the link for both of these kits in there. And we have the flower beads. Then we have some charms. Let me open these. I love how neatly packed these items are. So we have some little music charms. I know someone, I don't remember who it was asking me about seed beads for making jewelry, and this place has awesome deals. So definitely check them out if you're getting into jewelry. They have so many different jewelry kits. And we have some more charms, guitar, a lot of music related ones. We have a fish, we have a cross, a dolphin, some more little charms. We have some hearts here. This is a bracelet chain with the closure link already attached. Here is some more charms. We have some stars, some jump rings, some larger jump rings. So I'm guessing this kit came with only one bracelet, so that's a little setback on this. It didn't come with any more string for me to actually use these beads here. So it does have this bracelet where I can, you know, link the charms too. But there was no string to this kit. Well, it's supposed to be elastic, but there's none in here, so. Oh, wait, hold on. My bad. I spoke too fast, you guys. I forgot we have this that came with it. So we have the needles and we have the string for the bracelet. So it does come with everything. I have spoken too fast, you guys. But it only comes with one link chain for your bracelet. But you can buy these link chains without the closure pieces on their website for a great price. Their prices are great. So let me go ahead and put all these back and open up our final product. All right, you guys. Now, I ordered a HairBow and headband kit, even though I more than likely have almost all these items here. I wanted to check out what they had, and I wanted to show you guys some DIYs for more hair accessories. So I definitely got what they had, and I will be doing a few tutorials on this. So they got these headbands with the teeth. I usually use the ones not with the teeth, but I'm going to show you guys what I would do with the ones with the teeth, and I'll show you guys what I'll do with the ones that don't have teeth. So we have another cute little container. I absolutely love it. And this one also comes with instructions. So they show you how to make a cute little bow. And if you also go to their website, they have links to different tutorials on using their items. I'm pretty sure once I post mine, it will be up there. So go and watch and show some love. So we have these little bobble head scrunchy things. I'm not even sure why it has these little bead type things on the end. I've never seen them like this, but we will create something with those. And it comes with 2 glue sticks. I don't even have a glue gun that uses these small of a glue sticks, but the Dollar Tree, the dollar store has small glue guns. We have some thread. Feels like a cotton thread. We have some double-sided tape. Now, I love double-sided tape when making clippies or anything with the clip. We have our bundle of ribbon. Gross grain ribbon. So it comes with a few different patterns of gross grain ribbon in a few different sizes. I actually like these ballerina on. You guys see? Strawberries, flowers, some solid colors, a sheer, different sizes. Don't mind me and my ribbon folding skills. You should see my ribbon drawer. Alright, so let's see what little embellishments we've got. Again, cute little container. There's no tape on it this time, so I don't have to struggle. And then we have our snap clips. We have alligator clips with the teeth. I normally don't use these ones with the teeth, but they are good. We have larger alligator clips with the teeth. So you get a few different sizes of alligator clips. As you can see, this one has the 2 instead of the 1, but you get a few different sizes of alligator clips in here. You get your snap clips. I love that they even included the rest of the container dividers in here. So if I was to reuse this container not for hair accessories, because I definitely don't use these kind of containers to hold clips in. You can make your thing smaller or larger. So hey, I love that they included the rest of those in there, because I definitely will be using them. All right, so I don't even know how this is in there, but we'll figure it all out. We have some little charms that you can use as centerpieces. So we have a little Hello Kitty, a little button, another little button. So those are fabric cover buttons, a star, and then a circle. And then we have another fabric cover button. So we had 2 of each. And these items, they're good quality too, you guys. So definitely check them out. Then we have some more little centers and pearls, different sizes. We have a few of those. Then we have these little pearl hearts to use as centerpieces. I'm still stuck on these hair scrunchies. If anyone that is watching this video have seen these or have used these, please inbox me and let me know how they are being used. Usually when I use these, I just put my bow on, you know, tie it around, but I never had it with these things on. So go ahead and let me know if you have used them and how did you use them. That is it. I am loving these supplies and I can't wait to jump right in and create some pretty little things and show you guys how I do it. So please, again, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and check out bbscrafts.com. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop.